Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Linear Equations in One Variable. The given question is solve the following equation, and the given equation is t upon 5 is equal to 10. So guys, let us see how we can solve the given equation. Question has given us this number. Question has given us this number t upon 5. T upon 5 is equal to 10. Question has given us this expression t upon 5 is equal to 10, and question is asking us to solve the following equation. Question is asking us to solve the following equation. Question is asking us to solve the following equation. Guys, solving these type of equations are very simple and very straightforward. Why? Because the variable here, we call this type of equation as linear equations. Why? The power of these variables are 1. Wherever the power of a variable is 1, we call those equations as linear equations, and solving linear equations are very easy. So let us solve this. Question has given us t upon 5 is equal to 10. Now, our main intention now here would be to remove this 5, from the left hand side of this equation. How I will remove? Because this 5 is divided to t. So if I multiply 5 with t, then I can remove this 5. Now I'm going to multiply a 5. T upon 5 into 5 is equal to 10 into 5. What I did in this step, just I multiply a 5 to the left hand side of this equation. And why I multiplied? So that I can remove or eliminate this denominator 5. For that reason I multiplied a 5. If I am multiplying something to the left hand side of the equation, I should also do the same thing to the right hand side of this equation. So for that result, I also multiplied 5 to the right hand side of this equation. In this step, I multiplying 5 to both sides. Multiplying 5 to both sides. This is what we did here, both sides. Now guys, let us solve this. Or I can write this 5 and this 5 cancels out, or t is equal to 50. What we got? We got t is equal to 50. Guys, this t is equal to 50 is our answer. This t is equal to 50 is our answer. Hope guys you understood this. But now let us check our answer. Whether the answer that t is equal to 50 is correct or not. Let us check our answer. We should always do a quick check. How we'll check? Let's see. Question has given us t upon 5. Question has given us t upon 5 is equal to 10. Question has given us this thing, t upon 5 is equal to 10. So we will start with left hand side of this equation. The left hand side of this equation is t upon 5 and the right hand side of this equation is 10. So we will start with left hand side of the equation and we will see if we are getting the right side of this equation or not. So I am going to do the same thing here now. I am going to pick up the left hand side of this equation. Left hand side of this equation is t upon 5. Now let us replace the value of t with what we got here. We got the value of t as 50. So I am going to replace the value of t. So I can write or LHS is equal to 50 divided by 5, or LHS is equal to 50 divided by 5, or LHS is equal to 50 divided by 5. Now I can write or LHS is equal to 10. How 10? This 5 and this 50, it cancels out with 5. I can say that 5 tens are 50. So we got LHS is equal to 10, and this 10 is nothing but this is our right hand side of this equation. This 10 is nothing but this is the right hand side of this equation that was being earlier given. If you look here, the right hand side of this equation was 10, that is being given in the question. So we concluded that the answer that we got as t is equal to 50 is correct. Hope guys you understood this. This is very simple and very straightforward. But still, if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe and let your friends know. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.